Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Joe Yoon, aka Joetherapy, and today I'm going to review the Amazon Basics foam roller. Get a lot of questions about what's the best foam roller out there, what type of foam roller should I get? So I'm going to answer some of those questions in this video. So let's get it started. And probably the most common question, or what people want to know, is how much is it? It's going to be $15.49, and it's on Amazon with Amazon Prime. And I'm actually just gonna show you me using it, and I'll talk a little bit more about it. That way I'm not just standing here talking about a piece of foam. So let's go down on our backs. And you probably notice this is going to look very similar to the ones that you see in pretty much every gym in America. And it's because it's the same material. And there's a lot of companies that make it, but Amazon is Amazon, and people buy things from them because you get it overnight basically. So let's just foam roll the back. And this foam roller, high density foam, this one's an 18-inch foam roller, but they double in size too. They get the longer ones as well on Amazon. And I would probably say this is extra firm. There's not much give to it. So if you're actually looking at the foam roller, it's not really changing shape that much. Digging into the back a little bit, but it's definitely not the softest foam roller. I'll kind of show it to you too here. And you can kind of see it's a hard foam, styrofoam kind of, styrofoam-like, and then you can see it doesn't have that much give. And let's keep going and I'll talk a little bit more about it. And it's a good size. I mean, this is, if you've ever been to a gym, this is the one that you've been rolling on. That feels pretty good. And that's pretty much it for this review. And do I recommend getting one of these? I would definitely say pick one up. It's $15.49, free shipping if you're Amazon Prime member. You get it basically overnight. And everyone should have a foam roller. So at least get one of these if you're kind of questioning if you need to get one. But if you are very sensitive to pressure and you've used something like this, then maybe go online and try to find one. I'm gonna do so many more reviews, but go online and try to find one that has a little bit of give to it. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you like these quick reviews and what you want to see in the future, and I'll try to do reviews on those too.